What's up? I hope everyone is well. Recently, I purchased OnePlus 7 Pro. Thus, I am an iPhone user. This is a hard decision for me to choose a device for buying. So I choose the OnePlus 7 Pro over iPhone. So let's unboxing it. And I also buy also bought the OnePlus 7 Pro case. They call this is official case, and I open it. OnePlus dongle. PC motivation. Let's unboxing. OnePlus logo here. There are so many videos in YouTube, unboxing video, comparison video. So this is quite a long time. This is quite after a long time I shoot out the video, and this is official case. A texture on it. This is a manual. OnePlus Pro sticker. This is the device. Oops. Oops, charger. $30 max. This is the charger cable. There are lots of red color on the box, accessories, pretty much everything. That red color is visible, and I like that. Let's peel it out. This is a mirror gray color. Oh, beautiful. So pretty much it. Thanks for the watching this video.